Hey there, are you looking for a hearty winter recipe that you can make under an hour that will warm you up on those cold winter days and nights, and that perfectly aligns with your health and weight management goals? Well, look no further, because in this video you will learn how to make this simple Creole chicken dinner recipe that is sure to take the boring out of your meal prep routine and keep you and your family coming back for more. Hi, I'm Vula Manusos, registered dietitian and licensed nutritionist, and I help women manage their weight peacefully through a mindful, non-diet approach. Today, I'll be creating a dish that can easily be made on a weeknight or batch cooked on a weekend as an amazing meal prep solution. This recipe has all the components of a slam dunk dinner and is packed with protein, vegetables, and healthy fats, so you feel good about serving it to your family and friends. If you want to increase the protein in this dish so it's even more filling, consider adding a cup of your favorite beans, like red kidney beans or chickpeas. You might even want to decide to add more or different vegetables to the mix, like maybe zucchini, broccoli, eggplant, or even cauliflower. The more fiber that you add to this already delicious recipe, the more health benefits you are likely to reap. Fiber helps keep blood sugars level and keeps you feeling fuller longer, so that you are not scavenging for cookies, candy, and chocolates in between meals. Plus, because you are making this recipe from scratch, it puts you in the driver's seat, so there are no questions of hidden sources of fat, salt, or sugars. Most people feel cooking is hard or something that should be left to five-star chefs. But I'm here to tell you that anybody can cook simple, healthy, and delicious meals, and I am sure you can absolutely make this one. Now hit that like button if this sounds like a recipe that you're willing to make today. And if you're enjoying this video, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. This channel is jam-packed with valuable content that is tailored just for you. And again, I don't want you to miss any of it. Now, let's get into that kitchen and see how to create this delicious Creole chicken dish. Now wasn't that incredible? Simple, wholesome, delicious, good. Now, if you're looking for a new and exciting recipe that'll be your new go-to winter dish, this one's for you. So consider ditching takeout tonight and head to that supermarket to pick up these few simple ingredients that'll make you feel good about what you're putting on your plate and in your body today. Now, every month I'll be here to provide an easy go-to recipe to add to your collection of home-cooked meals. Getting to your health and weight loss goals can be easy as long as you're ready and willing to commit to easy meal prep and meal planning. A little planning now can quickly and effortlessly get you to your health and weight goals later. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel today. And if you want more insight on how to avoid winter weight gain during the winter months without the restrictive diets, I've got you covered with my complimentary ebook, Mindful Eating Journal and Prompts, that will help you break free from restrictive diets and get you on a path to mindful weight management. The link is in the description below. Now, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.